What I want to do first, before we get this dump loaded up, is go over some of the options and features on this one. Total weight, you saw, was 13,400 pounds. The weight on the sticker on this one was 5510. See, yeah, 5510 right there. And so that every dump trailer, every trailer from Diamond C, after it's QC inspected and ready to go, gets run across the scale, and the actual weight for that trailer with the options it has gets put on the VIN sticker. So you always know exactly what you're dealing with. This one is 14-foot LPT, 24-inch sides, has the 7-gauge Super Duty body package, which means it has 7-gauge sides and floor. So all the whole floor and the sidewalls are all 7-gauge, which is 3/16. A lot heavier duty than your standard 10-gauge, you know, for mainly for things like hauling concrete. And when somebody, a construction company, is going to be really heavy, or a demo company really heavy on thrashing the floor and sides, 7-gauge Super Duty body package is a no-brainer. So it does add weight though, probably 300-ish pounds, 300-400 pounds to this dump trailer to add that. So it's kind of one of those things, if you are not really using that, the benefit of it being so much heavier duty, don't do it. Like if you're hauling primarily dirt, like we're gonna do today, or you're hauling a lot of trash and debris and different things, you don't have to have the Super Duty body package. But if you're a guy who, you know, could be hauling this one day and concrete the next day, you know, and you know that you're hard on stuff, get it, because it's, you know, it prolongs the investment, right? You know, hard-earned investment dollars go into buying equipment like this. You want to take care of it, go ahead and get that package. And this one does have 14 ply tires. It's got the upgraded two-tone aluminum wheels, so it looks cool. The standard, the new long arm tarp system, which we'll demonstrate when we get the dirt loaded in it. Got the raised front with the board brackets down the side. That's cool, because here in a second you'll see when we load over the side, if I was to hit the top of this board with the bucket, you know, it's one thing to hit the board with it, but it's another thing to hit the paint. So it's kind of like cheap insurance is what I always call it, because it gives you a layer of just a layer of forgiveness if you hit the board versus busting the powder coat off the top rail. Comes with the 24-inch wide step standard, so you know, really comes in handy for the taller dumps. I mean, it's still to be able to step up over the side, but the taller sides is really where the step comes in handy. Got the new HD lid, textured black. Got the working space on top, but then also we got storage area inside. Wireless remote on this one. Got the solar panel up front for helping keep the battery tended to and charged. Another on the weight of this trailer, 14 ply tires are going to add another, you know, 150, couple hundred pounds to the weight on the sticker, because that sticker weight is the entire trailer as it sits, everything added together. Got the stabilizer drop legs for loading equipment, that option on this one. Got the new door holdbacks, which we'll see when we load and we go to dump here in a little bit. D-rings in the floor. What else? Oh, this side, we've got the fork holders, which is pretty cool, because if you've got a skid steer set of pallet forks, you can actually stow them there. I've got the little cutouts on top where you can strap your forks to the fork holders. So that's a cool option to have. Those go up under the trailer. You just slide your forks in and strap them down. One feature that I almost forgot, almost missed, was the wireless control system. It is an option on the LPT. Comes with this handy dandy little key fob, up and down. It's got a cover to cover it. Also, it goes to sleep after about 20 minutes of inactivity so that it doesn't accidentally fire in your pocket. But the cool thing is, it allows you to be out behind your dump trailer or around it while it's dumping, to where that you don't have to be tied to the remote or draping a cable across you, you know, all the way to the back of the trailer. You can hear it still back there going. You can get pretty far away, which is cool. But I don't suggest going, you know, this far away, leaving your dump going by itself back there. But anyways, really cool feature to where you can be right around the action, you know, the back of your dump trailer when it's dumping. Wireless remotes are standard on many other models of Diamond Sea trailers, anything that has like a hydraulic loading option, like a hydraulic dovetail or a hydraulic tilt deck that's powered, comes with a wireless control.